Okay, so when we talk about domain, range, asymptotes, y-intercepts, if you look at the domain, this is the 2 to the x and 2 to the negative x. One is a growth, one is a decay. I mean, it's going infinitely to the left and infinitely to the right, so the domain is all real numbers. I mean, you got to think, why do we check domain? Because we get to plug in for the x value. We want to make sure we plug in a value that does not lead to something that's undefined. There's no issues. We can plug in anything we want for x in an exponential function, never undefined. Okay. The range, you know, if you look at this graph here, it starts here and it goes up. So you would have to say the y values are greater than 0. Okay, they're not greater than or equal to because it can never touch the x-axis. There's no value you could put in for x that would make f of x equal 0. So there's no way to have an x-intercept or to touch that axis. So we don't say greater than or equal to. It's just greater than. So this, the x-axis, y equals 0, is a horizontal asymptote for an exponential. Doesn't matter if it's growth or decay. And what is the y-intercept? How do we find y-intercept? Generally speaking. Yeah, plug in 0 for x. Well, 2 to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. That's why these things all have a y-intercept of 1. Right? That's 1, 1, 1, 1. Every one has a y-intercept of 1 because anything to the 0 power is 1.